The Model 300 Winged Sentry with lid has been upgraded with new features to make it easier for the operator to use and maintain. This unique system, the Model 300 Winged Sentry with lid Generation 2, aka WSL2, offers powerful fume extraction and a hood-like enclosure, ideal for spaces where a traditional hood may not fit, such as overhead cabinets or other height restraints. Here is a breakdown of the new features. First, we added a hinged lid to provide flexibility and an LED light to help with visibility under the lid. Next, the user-friendly control panel provides new control knobs and a digital display, including variable speed fan control, light intensity control, digital display with runtime and current static pressure of the filter, Runtime Reset button, which is great for helping with filter change intervals. Also, the WSL2 offers a simple, no-tool filter change. Simply undo the hand screws, remove the old filter, and replace with a new one. This unit can use HEPA filters, activated carbon filters, or a combination of both. The WSL2 has a simple operation. The powerful fan draws in fumes and particulate from the workspace into the filtration chamber, then releases the filtered air into the surrounding room. This creates a recirculating airflow pattern and eliminates the need for makeup air. Contact us today to learn more about the Model 300 WSL2. Please go to our website or give us a call. Thank you.